have business management books. You'll get books for children as well, as you can see. If your children are fond of art and craft, this is the best book out here. You will get exam preparations book as well. See phase 1 and phase 2. So वीडियो स्टार्ट करने से पहले प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब आवर चैनल एंड डोंट फॉरगेट टू हिट द बेल आइकन. तो आज हम जा रहे हैं इन्फिनिटी मॉल फॉर अ बुक एग्जीबिशन. राइट नाउ आई एम वेटिंग फॉर मेट्रो. इन्फिनिटी मॉल पहुंच गए हैं ऑन द फर्स्ट फ्लोर ओवर हियर इन इन्फिनिटी मलाड. लेट्स गो अपस्टेयर्स एंड सी काइंड ऑफ बुक्स वील गेट आउट हियर. This is the entire view of the mall. This is the exhibition. So let's see यहाँ पे क्या है. So you can buy books over here as per the box size. It's not as per the book value. MRP नहीं है book की. The books can be bought as per the box size. So let us find where is the boxes available out here. The boxes, one is of 1200, one is of 2000, and the bigger one is for 3000. So I'll be going for the smaller box as I need to buy books for myself and my daughter. So you have children books available over here. What's the age criteria for this?
This is 6 to 12.
Okay.
And it's about a young girl whose father is an army officer.
Okay.
And he's posted from Pune to Bombay.
Okay.
So she is very upset with the move because she has to leave her friends behind.
Okay.
And she is not willing to go. So she's hoping for a special friend.
Oh.
It's all about her adventures with her friend.
You can find these books, be it fiction, non-fiction, educational ones, encyclopedias are there. So it all depends on the size of the box. Remember, once again, the size of the box, not the MRP of the book. So the event is only till 6th of August, so please don't forget to visit Infiniti Malad on the upper ground floor. Take home as many books as you like.
The search of purpose of life. Why we are alive and what is the purpose of life. That is the story of this book.
One is James Santa Secret Elf and the other is Winnie the Pooh. Business management books. Any books on, principles of communication, how do you groom yourself, personality development, how to manage your team effectively. All books are available over here. Famous book by Dale Carnegie, The Leader in You. My first picture book, my book for favorite rhyme. This I'll definitely buy for my niece. You can get health and fitness book as well. You will get exam preparations book as well. See phase 1 and phase 2 for bank PO. So grab the opportunity, come if you are a book lovers. So look at the queue, guys. This queue is once you purchase the books, you will have to get it packed over here and then you can make the payment. So these books I have bought. The smaller box, 1200. It's a wonderful experience and you all should definitely visit it.